Here we come to the elevator at Fisherman's Wharf Seafood Restaurant in downtown Galveston, Texas. This is a home elevator. After rewatching this video, I realized that this is actually a Waupaca elevator, even though I did not realize until rewatching this video. Anyways, I'm sorry that the audio is muted because there is loud music blasting and I had no other choice than to mute the audio. But anyways, here's the elevator. We're going to open the door and go on inside, and as soon as I enter the elevator car, the audio will be unmuted momentarily. Alright, now I can unmute the audio. There is loud music playing inside the lobby. I'm sorry I have to mute the audio. But anyways, look at this. This is a home elevator. Anyways, it's dark in here, so I'm gonna have to turn on the light. All right, now we can get a good view of these fixtures. See, these are your, I'm not sure, there's some type of Adams fixtures of some sort. I really don't know what brand this elevator is, but anyways, we're gonna go ahead and shut the gate. And we'll take it on a quick ride. Here we go. There's music playing outside, so unfortunately the music is quite loud enough. It's hard to drown it out, and it's also the building is not soundproof either. But anyways, we got a quick caveat. My gosh, it is hot in this thing. I didn't know that this elevator existed. All right, let's go back down to 1. This has got to be a hydro of some sort. It is hot in this thing. This is like a home elevator or something like that. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and stop the camera as soon as the elevator comes to a full landing. Alright, so with that being said, thanks for watching. That'll be it.